Everyone, and hello guacamole lovers. If you are tired of your guacamole turning brown way too fast, then you need to check out this game changer. It's the PREPWORKS Fresh Guacamole ProKeeper. It's got the bowl and the lid that keeps the air out and keeps your guacamole fresh 4 days. So I can make and prepare my guacamole the day before, 2 days before, because I'm the one that brings the guacamole to the events. Now, this bowl will hold 4 to 5 avocados worth for guacamole. And thanks to the airtight lid, like I said, it can stay for days. It removes all the air. There's no more sad brown guacamole when I get to the event or me rushing the day of. So what I do is I do 3 or 4 avocados. I've got a couple in there already waiting to be made. So I put my fresh avocado in there. And then what I like to do is I like to add a little lime. So I put that in my squeezer. Squeeze a little lime in there. Nice and fresh lime. Yum. I use about a half a lime for 2 avocados. And then I like to add some seasoning. I like some garlic salt or garlic powder. Nice amount. And then I like to add the salt and the pepper ground freshly. Now, some people like onions. Some people like tomatoes. I'll bring those separate because we do have family members that are not particularly fond of those items. So we'll bring them separate and they can add it to taste. So I add my fresh ingredients. And then just mash that up nice and smooth. Get it all mixed together. So it's nice, so simple, so easy, so yummy. So now that I have my avocados all mixed with the fresh ingredients, I just take the lid, make it airtight by pushing out all the air. Push it all the way down to the bottom so all the air gets released. Push it to where it's tight, and that will stay fresh for days. So when I get to my event, it's nice and fresh and green. So when I get there, I just take the lid off, like to scrape off some excess because you don't want any of that going away. And then I just put it on the tray for serving. And it's perfect. It looks nice, and it's fresh, it's green, it's delicious. And the container is so easy to clean, just soap and water, or I've been in the dishwasher, so it's easy to clean. So trust me, your tacos, your taste buds, and your family, they're going to love you.